Hi, this is Claudia from Trendy Latina, and I'm here to show you our new GE refrigerator. So let's get started. I wanted to start with the front part of it, where we have the ice. We have two options for cubed and crushed ice. So one of my favorite features is really the water, and I'll tell you why. When you push to get the water down, you see the numbers on the door. I'm always trying to figure out how much water I drink every day, so that will tell me how much water I'm actually pouring, and it's easier for me to control and continue to be the healthy Latina you know I am. So let's continue. I also wanted to show there is a turbo cool feature which cools off the fridge a little bit more than regular fridges. I've never seen that in other fridges that we had. And the same turbo freeze for the freezer. Love these features. It will make it cooler if you have your fridge real full of things, so it's awesome. And the door alarm, you can control that and put to 3 seconds and the door will be shut down. So I love that for little ones. That's a great feature. But now let me show you inside the fridge. Let me open the door. So this is something I really love about it. It has a dual door and lots of space on both doors, right? And then look at all the space inside. So everything is organized, everything is in its place, and you don't have a messy fridge. I really love that. And you have the climate zone for fruits and vegetables, the same for both drawers. And here you have the temperature select zone where you can select the temperature for meat, beverage, or deli, and there's a division in there where you can put different things in there. Love that. So let me show you the bottom part of it. This is our freezer, and that is part of it, and this is the upper part, and you can use the upper part to defrost and put some things in it that you're actually going to use the next day. Now, are you ready? This is really, really cool. We're actually going to make coffee. This GE fridge has a Keurig machine inside of it. So we just have to attach the Keurig attachment and boom, you have coffee. You can program on your phone and have a freshly brewed cup of coffee the next day. Let's get to it. So here's the Keurig attachment. We're going to open it and we're going to put the cup inside. Now we're going to close it, and it's so easy you won't believe it. All I have to do is pour in here and start heating the water. Do you see? It will show you when the water starts heating. Stop. Well, it's taking a couple minutes to heat up the water, so I want to show you how cool it is now. When you click on brew size, you can actually choose the size of the coffee cup that you want to make. So I'm going to do 8 ounces. So now that I chose 8 ounces, I'm going to click on brew dispense, and you have to hold it. And you see 3, 2, 1 to make sure little kids don't actually get burned while they're making coffee or playing with your Keurig dispenser. And you see the coffee coming out. This is way, way cool. It's definitely my favorite feature. I never thought in my wildest dreams that I was going to have a Keurig machine, which is, something I use every day already in the house, just at my fingertips. on my fridge door. And voila, you have a cup of coffee, freshly brewed from your fridge. This is Claudia from Trendy Latina. Thank you so much for watching the video. I'm going to go now enjoy my cup of coffee. Mwah.